Have you ever felt overwhelmed by anxiety or paralyzed by your fears? If so, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, many of us grapple with feelings of uncertainty and self-doubt. The good news is that there's a powerful tool at our disposal, Stoic philosophy. This ancient wisdom offers profound insights into understanding and managing our emotions, helping us navigate life's challenges with greater ease. In this video, we will explore how the principles of Stoicism can be applied to confront anxiety and fear. Imagine being able to approach your worries with a sense of calm and clarity, transforming your relationship with anxiety. By embracing Stoic teachings, you can learn to manage your emotions more effectively, leading to a more peaceful and balanced life, even in the face of adversity. Throughout this journey, we'll delve into key Stoic concepts and practices that can empower you to face your fears head-on. So, if you're ready to take control of your emotional well-being and cultivate resilience, stay with us until the end. By the time we finish, you'll have practical tools to help you not only survive, but thrive amid uncertainty. Let's dive in. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that originated in Greece around the early 3rd century BCE. It teaches the development of self-control and fortitude as a means of overcoming destructive emotions. The Stoics believed that philosophy is a way of life and that understanding the world around us can lead to personal fulfillment and inner peace. Key figures in Stoicism include Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius. Seneca, a Roman statesman and playwright, emphasized the importance of wisdom and the role of reason in controlling emotions. His letters and essays provide practical guidance on how to live a virtuous life, encouraging individuals to focus on what truly matters and to let go of what is beyond their control. Epictetus, a former slave-turned-philosopher, taught that our thoughts and perceptions shape our experiences. His teachings center around the idea that while we cannot control external events, we can control how we respond to them. This concept is particularly relevant for those grappling with anxiety, as it underscores the importance of managing our reactions to stresses rather than trying to eliminate them entirely. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, is best known for his work Meditations. In this personal journal, he reflects on the Stoic principles of acceptance, rationality, and the transient nature of life. His writings remind us that challenges are inevitable, but our response to those challenges defines our character and resilience. The core tenets of Stoicism include 1. Control. Focus on what you can control and accept what you cannot. This principle encourages a shift in perspective, helping individuals to understand that their thoughts and actions are within their power, while external circumstances often are not. 2. Virtue. The Stoics believed that living a virtuous life guided by wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance was essential for achieving true happiness. This emphasis on character and ethical living provides a strong foundation for resilience. 3. Nature. Stoicism teaches us to align ourselves with the natural order of the universe. By understanding our place in the grand scheme of things, we can find peace in the acceptance of life's impermanence and unpredictability. Through these principles, Stoicism offers a framework for navigating the complexities of modern life. It encourages us to cultivate emotional resilience, which is particularly valuable for those facing anxiety and fear. By adopting a Stoic mindset, we can learn to face our challenges with composure and strength. As we move forward, we'll explore how anxiety manifests in our lives and how Stoic teachings can specifically address these feelings. Anxiety is a common and often debilitating condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It manifests in various ways, including excessive worrying, restlessness, irritability, and even physical symptoms such as rapid heartbeat and shortness of breath. For many, anxiety can feel like an overwhelming force that clouds judgment and disrupts daily life. In young adults, anxiety often emerges during significant life transitions, such as entering the workforce, pursuing higher education, or navigating relationships. These periods can provoke feelings of uncertainty and self-doubt, making individuals more susceptible to anxious thoughts. Common fears include the fear of failure, fear of judgment, and fear of the unknown. This heightened state of worry can lead to a cycle of avoidance, where individuals may shy away from opportunities or experiences that could help them grow. The impact of anxiety extends beyond individual experiences. It can disrupt relationships, hinder career advancement, and diminish overall quality of life. Many young adults may find themselves feeling isolated or misunderstood, as the pressures of modern life compound their emotional struggles. It's crucial to recognize that these feelings are valid and that seeking help or finding effective coping strategies is essential. This is where Stoicism comes into play. By offering tools and techniques to manage anxiety, Stoic philosophy provides a refreshing perspective that emphasizes self-awareness and emotional regulation. Instead of allowing anxiety to dictate actions and decisions, Stoicism encourages individuals to confront their fears and engage with them meaningfully. As we transition into discussing the principles of Stoicism that can help us address anxiety, it's important to remember that understanding the nature of anxiety is the first step in overcoming it. By recognizing how anxiety operates and the fears that drive it, we can begin to apply Stoic principles to regain control over our thoughts and actions. The teachings of Stoicism offer valuable strategies for managing anxiety and confronting fears. By incorporating these principles into daily life, individuals can develop resilience and learn to navigate their emotions more effectively. Here, we explore 3 key Stoic principles that can significantly aid in managing anxiety: differentiation between what can and cannot be controlled, the practice of acceptance and detachment, and the importance of reflection and self-care. Differentiation between what can and cannot be controlled. 200 words. One of the fundamental teachings of Stoicism is the ability to distinguish between what is within our control and what is not. According to Epictetus, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. This principle is particularly relevant for those struggling with anxiety, as it encourages a shift in focus from external events over which we often have little to no control to our thoughts and responses. For example, consider a job interview that induces feelings of anxiety. While you cannot control the outcome of the interview, you can control your preparation, your attitude, and how you respond to the situation. By concentrating on your efforts and recognizing that the result is not solely in your hands, you can alleviate some of the pressure and anxiety surrounding the event. Practicing this differentiation allows you to cultivate a sense of empowerment. Rather than feeling like a victim of circumstances, you begin to see that your thoughts and actions are your domain. This awareness can significantly reduce feelings of helplessness and anxiety, enabling you to approach challenges with greater confidence. Practice of acceptance and detachment. 200 words. Another vital Stoic principle is the practice of acceptance and detachment from outcomes. This concept encourages individuals to accept the reality of situations as they are, rather than how they wish them to be. By embracing acceptance, you learn to let go of resistance to circumstances that are beyond your control, which can be a powerful antidote to anxiety. Marcus Aurelius famously wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. This acknowledgement of the limits of your control can foster a profound sense of peace. Instead of becoming overly attached to specific outcomes, focus on doing your best and then letting go of the results. For instance, if you are anxious about a presentation at work, practice detaching yourself from the need for perfection. Embrace the effort you put into your preparation and trust that whatever happens, you can learn and grow from the experience. This mindset shift allows you to approach situations with a sense of calm, reducing anxiety and enhancing performance. Importance of reflection and self-care. 200 words. The final Stoic principle we will discuss is the importance of reflection and self-care. The Stoics emphasize the practice of daily reflection to gain insight into one's thoughts, feelings, and actions. By regularly assessing your emotional state and the events of the day, you can identify patterns and triggers related to your anxiety. One effective technique is to maintain a Stoic journal, where you can jot down your thoughts, feelings, and responses to daily events. This practice not only helps clarify your emotions, but also serves as a valuable tool for self-awareness and growth. Reflecting on your day can reveal areas where you've practiced Stoic principles and where you might improve. Moreover, self-care is essential in managing anxiety. Stoicism advocates for a balanced approach to life, including taking care of your physical and mental well-being. This might involve regular exercise, meditation, or engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By prioritizing self-care, You strengthen your resilience and prepare yourself to face challenges with a clearer mind and a more centered spirit. As we move forward, we will explore real-life examples and testimonials of individuals who have successfully applied Stoic principles to combat their anxiety, demonstrating the practical effectiveness of this ancient philosophy. To illustrate the transformative power of Stoic principles in overcoming anxiety, let's take a look at real-life stories from individuals who have successfully applied these teachings in their lives. These examples highlight how Stoicism can serve as a practical guide for managing anxiety and fostering emotional resilience. One inspiring story comes from Sarah, a young professional who faced debilitating anxiety during her college years. She often found herself paralyzed by the fear of failure, particularly when it came to exams and presentations. After discovering Stoic philosophy, she began practicing the principle of differentiation between what she could control and what she could not. Instead of fixating on the final grades or outcomes, Sarah focused her energy on her study habits and preparation. This shift in mindset not only alleviated her anxiety, but also improved her performance as she learned to approach challenges with a newfound sense of calm and determination. Another example is Michael, who struggled with social anxiety. He often avoided gatherings and social events due to a fear of judgment and rejection. After reading Marcus Aurelius' Meditations, Michael decided to confront his fears head-on by applying the practice of acceptance and detachment. He began attending social events with the mindset that it was okay to be imperfect and that he could learn from each experience, regardless of the outcome. Over time, this acceptance allowed him to engage more fully with others and significantly reduced his anxiety in social situations. These testimonials demonstrate that Stoicism is not just theoretical, it can be a powerful tool for real change. By embracing Stoic principles, individuals like Sarah and Michael have not only managed their anxiety, but have also discovered a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment in their lives. As we continue, we will provide practical exercises that you can implement in your daily routine to further incorporate Stoic teachings into your life. These exercises will help solidify the concepts we've discussed and empower you to take charge of your emotional well-being. Incorporating Stoic principles into your daily life can be a transformative process. To help you on this journey, here are 3 practical exercises designed to cultivate resilience and manage anxiety. Each exercise encourages reflection and active engagement with Stoic teachings. 1. The Stoic Journal. Keeping a Stoic journal is an effective way to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and daily experiences. Set aside time each evening to write about your day. Focus on specific events that triggered feelings of anxiety or stress. Ask yourself questions like, what emotions did I experience? What could I control in this situation? How did I respond, and could I have reacted differently? This exercise allows you to gain insight into your emotional patterns and helps reinforce the Stoic principle of distinguishing between what is within your control and what is not. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your self-awareness and emotional regulation. 2. Visualization of acceptance. Visualization is a powerful tool used in many therapeutic practices, and it aligns well with Stoic principles. Take a few moments each day to visualize a situation that typically causes you anxiety, perhaps an upcoming presentation or a difficult conversation. Picture yourself facing the situation calmly, embracing the notion that outcomes are beyond your control. Imagine engaging fully, focusing on the effort and your responses rather than the result. This practice encourages acceptance and can help you approach real-life situations with a more relaxed mindset, reducing the anticipation of anxiety. 3. Daily gratitude, reflection. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of gratitude as a means to cultivate a positive mindset. At the end of each day, take a moment to list 3 things you are grateful for. They can be simple, like a kind word from a friend or the beauty of nature. By recognizing the positive aspects of your life, you shift your focus away from anxiety and fears. This practice helps reinforce a Stoic outlook that values appreciation for what you have, fostering resilience and emotional strength. As you implement these exercises, remember that consistency is key. Over time, you'll find that these practices can significantly impact your ability to manage anxiety and cultivate a Stoic mindset. In the next chapter, we will wrap up our discussion and provide a strong conclusion, emphasizing the key points we've covered and inviting you to take action in your own life. As we reach the end of our exploration into Stoicism and its powerful relationship with anxiety, it's essential to recap the key insights we've discussed. Stoic philosophy, rooted in self-awareness, emotional regulation, and acceptance, provides us with practical tools to confront our fears and navigate life's uncertainties. By understanding the distinction between what we can control and what we cannot, we empower ourselves to respond to challenges with resilience. Throughout this video, we've learned that applying Stoic principles can lead to a significant transformation in how we manage anxiety. From the practice of keeping a Stoic journal to embracing acceptance through visualization, these techniques can help cultivate a mindset that reduces the grip of anxiety on our lives. Real-life examples from individuals who have successfully implemented these teachings remind us that change is not only possible but attainable. Now, it's time for you to take action. Start by choosing one of the exercises we've discussed today and commit to practicing it regularly. Share your journey with others, whether it's through a journal, conversations, or social media. By fostering a community of support and growth, we can all benefit from the teachings of Stoicism. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore how Stoicism can help us face anxiety and fear. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement not only motivates us to create more content, but also helps others discover these valuable insights. Together, let's embark on a path toward greater emotional resilience and a more fulfilling life. As you embark on your journey to apply Stoic principles in managing anxiety and facing fears, it's helpful to have additional resources at your disposal. Below are some recommended books, podcasts, and online courses that delve deeper into Stoicism and offer practical guidance for integrating these teachings into your life. Recommended books. 1. Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. This classic text is a collection of personal writings by the Roman emperor, offering profound insights into Stoic philosophy. Marcus Aurelius reflects on his experiences and the challenges he faced, making this book a practical guide for cultivating resilience and emotional strength. 2. The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. In this modern interpretation of Stoicism, Holiday illustrates how challenges can serve as opportunities for growth. By sharing stories from history and applying Stoic principles, he provides actionable advice for overcoming adversity and embracing life's difficulties. 3. A Guide to the Good Life, The Ancient Art of Stoic Joy by William B. Irvine. This book presents Stoicism in an accessible manner, focusing on its relevance in the modern world. Irvine offers practical strategies for incorporating Stoic practices into daily life, emphasizing the importance of mental tranquility and emotional resilience. Podcasts. 1. The Daily Stoic. Hosted by Ryan Holiday, this podcast offers daily insights and teachings from Stoic philosophy. With short episodes that delve into various topics, it's a great way to start your day with Stoic wisdom. 2. Stoic Meditations. This podcast features readings from classic Stoic texts, paired with reflections and commentary. It's an excellent resource for those looking to deepen their understanding of Stoicism through the lens of meditation and mindfulness. Online courses. 1. Stoicism and the Art of Happiness on Coursera. This course provides an overview of Stoic principles and how they can be applied to modern life. It's designed to help you cultivate a happier, more fulfilling existence through the teachings of Stoicism. 2. Introduction to Stoicism on Udemy. This course offers a comprehensive introduction to Stoic philosophy, exploring its historical context and practical applications. It's perfect for beginners looking to grasp the foundational concepts of Stoicism. By exploring these resources, you can deepen your understanding of Stoicism and continue to develop the skills necessary for managing anxiety and fostering resilience. Remember, the journey towards emotional well-being is ongoing, and each step you take is a move toward a more balanced and fulfilling life.